What happens to your body when you eat only one meal a day? This protocol has a name. It's called OMAD, one meal a day. And what it does to your body hour by hour is more dramatic than most people realize. In 2009, researchers at the National Institute on Aging conducted a study that surprised even the people running it. They took healthy adults, kept their daily calories identical, but compressed all that food into a single 1-hour eating window. 23 hours of fasting, 1 hour of eating. Same calories as the control group, same nutrients. After 8 weeks, the OMAD group had 4 pounds less body fat than the 3-meal group. The same food, the same calories, but the timing changed everything inside their cells. There's an exact hour in that 23-hour window when something dramatic happens. And there's a hidden cost most OMAD content never mentions that decides whether this protocol actually works for you. Most people believe weight loss comes from eating less. The real reason one meal a day produces these results has almost nothing to do with calories. It has to do with what your body does when it finally stops digesting. Here's what happens hour by hour after your last bite. For the first 4 hours, you're in what scientists call the fed state. Insulin is high, your body is storing energy, building tissues. No fat burning is happening yet. By hour 8, your blood sugar drops, insulin starts falling. Your liver releases stored glycogen to keep your brain and muscles fueled. By hour 12, your glycogen stores are running low. Your body switches fuel sources. It starts breaking down stored fat for energy. This is when fat burning genuinely begins. Not at the gym, not when you exercise, at hour 12 of not eating. By hour 16, something more interesting starts. With insulin at its lowest point, a process called autophagy begins to ramp up. Autophagy is your cells eating their own damaged parts. Old proteins, broken mitochondria, cellular debris, your body recycles them. Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the 2016 Nobel Prize for discovering this mechanism. By hour 20 to 23, autophagy intensifies. Growth hormone rises significantly. Cellular repair accelerates. Your body is in deep maintenance mode, doing things it cannot do while busy digesting food. That's the timeline most OMAD content shows you. Your body isn't just losing fat during one meal a day, it's repairing itself at the cellular level. But here's what the viral OMAD content gets wrong. There's a hidden cost. When you compress all your nutrition into one meal, getting enough protein, vitamins, and minerals becomes extremely difficult. A 2024 review found that OMAD practitioners frequently develop deficiencies in B vitamins, iron, calcium, and magnesium. The same protocol that triggers autophagy can starve your cells of the building blocks they need. The other catch, the 2009 NIH study that produced the 4-pound fat loss difference also found that the OMAD group had higher cholesterol, higher blood pressure, and reported feeling significantly hungrier throughout the study. One meal a day works, but it works because it forces calorie restriction, triggers autophagy, and lowers insulin. You can get most of those benefits with 16-hour intermittent fasting, eating 2 meals in 8 hours, without the deficiency risk. Your body was built to handle long gaps between meals, not necessarily 23-hour gaps every single day forever. The hours matter, the timeline is real, but the protocol matters too. That's why it really matters.